darkness turns to blue, yeah, I will be the one you keep when I come back to you. So generate the real in everything you do. Yeah, I will be the one you keep when I come back to you. Darkness turns to blue, yeah, I will be the one you keep when I come back to you. So generate the real in everything you do. Yeah, I will be the one you keep when I come back to you.
Arizona desert. Gonna be hiking up mountain there, find some ruins. I suppose there's a big family of ruins up here. We'll see. Starting up the mountain.
I would try that. I'm saying it's tough to scan online.
All right, we're getting closer. Up the mountain. You can see a possible petroglyph right here, or whatever they call it, hieroglyphs. Don't know if it's legit or not. Beautiful. Up they go to the ruins. Just had to climb up a little incline there. That was fun. Hello, it is me, Mario. Hold on, little roots. All right, we leveled out. Gonna keep going. Muddy bombs. Hopefully we're getting closer. Trail thinned out. Manzanita, not too overgrown. It's beautiful. Dark skies, burning thighs, chicken and rice. Think we're getting there. Look at the beauty. I can't see. Pretty sure we still gotta go along that ridge there into that canyon. Another steep incline, nice and muddy. Yeah, it's getting real thickness. Getting closer. More climbing up this stuff. mountain. Alright. Check it out. There's one set of ruins right there. Pretty cool. A lot of beautiful ferns in here. Fernando. Fern show. Beautiful. It's like a little desert oasis. Oasis 360. Aristocrat. Water dropping from up there. Echoes. Microphone done dead. Squatch. Bull.
Sponsored all by me and Ryan.
Yep.
Jordan.
100%. Ugh. Jet boil time.
I think that's how they talk.
Hey! What? Alright, we're done putting the camera in the bag. Come back next time. We're going the right way back this time. We went the wrong way up. It wasn't my fault.
Be careful.
Got water dripping down here. Nice and droopy. Cool. Pretty cool. Heading back. There's the Land Cruiser out in the mountain. But we still have to zigzag this way. All right, that's it for the day. We'll come back and explore the mine later, try to get to the other ruins, and forget about it. Look at it, it's beautiful. See you guys next time, I reckon. Here.
Just take me, embrace me, and don't let go. This feeling inside me is all I know.